Hi, my name is Neha Kaur and my student ID is 1462127. Today, I'll be showing my network architecture and protocol assignment 2. So to start with, let me start. Um, First, we have to know what is Internet of Things. Internet of Things is about connecting devices over the internet and letting them talk to us, application, and each other. Uh, I'll go with an example such as we already know that we can obtain real-time instant information from a range of devices. Let's say a phone alerts that there will be a sudden rainfall. We know that rainfall will lead to road accidents, so we can use an app called Google App to get real-time traffic updates. And this information can be sent from our phone to our car's navigation system without us needing to do anything. So that was an example of Internet of Things, and I'll also tell you how it is important for a business. The Internet of Things allows for efficient data gathering from multiple sources, and considering the vast amount of data that can be accumulated from the various connected sources, business have an advantage in it. Data from users' homes, offices, cars, phones, and browsing habits can also be used to tell us a great deal. So for Internet of Things, we will be using Contiki. Contiki is an operating system for networked memory constrained system with a focus on low power wireless Internet of Things devices. Extras uses for Contiki includes systems for street lighting, sound monitoring for smart cities, radiation monitoring, and alarms. It is open source software which was released under BSD license. So I'll minimize this and let me start running Contiki. Contiki is already running in the background. This is Contiki, instant Contiki. I'll also show you. I have followed this tutorial for downloading and setting up the Contiki. So these are the steps. So first is to download VirtualBox and then Instant Contiki. Create a new virtual machine with VirtualBox. We have to choose the Linux Ubuntu, and then we have to give some RAM to it. And these are the steps. And finally, we create a new virtual machine with Instant Contiki. I have done my assignment on VirtualBox. So let's go to the VirtualBox. So this is Contiki, and by default, the password is user. This will take some time. Yeah, so it's here. We can see over here there is terminal, there's Kuja, and there's Wireshark. We will work on Kuja. So this is Kuja. Kuja is Contiki's network stimulator. Now we will add a file. New simulation. We will give the name to the simulation. I'll name it as my simulation 1, and then create. So now we will add modes to it. Add modes, create new modes type, and we'll go for sky mode. We will browse a file. Browse. We have to select examples, and in examples I will choose IPv6. and in IPv6 I will choose simple UDP. In simple UDP I'll go for broadcast example. So here is the compile command, and now we will compile and then we will write the number of modes. For example, I write over here 8 and then add modes. So here we can see the number of modes, which is 8, and then we will start simulation. So the simulation has started, and the modes will take its position, and this explains about broadcast, which we have learned in our recent chapters. So yeah, that was all for Contiki.